Hello. Right, we're going to make a little video of Boogie in the boat. We're about to leave. We've just got the last ad break on Thursday, and then we're going to go home, get a quick couple hours kip, and then we're going to be at the station for 5 o'clock, down Newcastle for about 6:30, in the pub by 7:15, bed by probably about 8:15 because I've not been on the drink for a long time, and then we're doing the show tomorrow from Metro, and then it's boat time.
Come on, Ian!
Boogie and Dingo.
They're not coming with us, they're all going to meet us there.
Oh, they're meeting us there? Yeah. Oh, right, okay. Did I do it?
Are you done?
Everything done in one day.
Nice work. Nothing like being planned.
Yeah, and that was nothing like planned. It's just nuts.
As long as you've got money, baby, you can buy it yourself.
Not got money yet, I need to get money. Let the carnage begin.
No, I was hoping for let God be on my side, but you know, whatever.
Please God, look after me. Please bring me back in one piece from Boogie on the boat 7. Where do we meet them?
I don't know.
Hostess handbag. Thank you for liking my bag. Let's have a look what's inside of it. Oh my god, I didn't pack that. Where are the condoms gone?
Hello. Right here we are at Waverley Station. There's that lovely Waverley Station smell. It's kind of beat it. So it's now 10 to 5 on Thursday. We're about to head on the train to Newcastle. We get to Newcastle about 6:30, and we should be checked in the hotel, and I think we're just going to have a fairly quiet night tonight, a couple of beers maybe.
Jill hasn't got a ticket.
No, Jill has got a ticket. She's just blethering
another
to her mate.
Oh.
Jill?
Yeah.
Bingo?
Yes, mate.
I want you to remember, although this is a fun trip for us this weekend, it's really important to remember that we are working all the time.
Representing.
Right? We're representing the company. Okay, especially you, McLaren. I've got my eye on you, right? You know, it's like, you've got to represent the company, you've got to be in the best behaviour at all time, and unfortunately, that means zero alcohol.
I understand.
So, no alcohol at all.
None at all?
None at all.
The whole weekend?
For the whole weekend. We're working the whole time, so there'll be no alcohol. Everybody got that?
Yeah.
You got that, Jill?
Yeah.
Alright, Dingle?
Yeah, well, not really, but yeah, alright.
Okay. Right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Nice. You hungry?
Yeah, actually, can I? Listen, can I have your nuts?
I'm with you. They're good nuts.
Salty.
It'll be warm now.
We're just about in Newcastle. If you look over there, any second now.
Oh, there's Metro.
There's Metro Radio there. There's
That'll be tomorrow morning.
That's where we're going to be tomorrow. Doing the show.
Roundabout.
Newcastle United is just up there. Right, so here we are in Newcastle. It's now just after 6:30 Thursday night, and we just got off the train. What do you want to do now, guys?
Very.
We'll never find a pub. Oh, hang on, here's one.
We made it, but only just. Bruce is in some state, mate. One beer.
Ready for our stunning view? Beautiful. If you look to the left, it's even nicer.
So we've just arrived in the hotel, and it's alright, it's not great, it's not bad, but Dingo has christened the bathroom already. We've only been here 30 seconds! Okay girls, if you've ever been to Tina Park and you've used a sheepie, then they've actually made a monument to it here in Newcastle, and here it is, it's the sheepie monument, which is a fine piece of art right here in the middle of Newcastle.
It's better known as the Chrome Dome for you ladies that haven't experienced the sheepie.
Now, we haven't even ordered yet, and they've give us prawn crackers. That's the sign of a classy Chinese restaurant.
What are you going to say, Chinese what?
Half crown.
Accent.
Chinese. Chinese restaurant.
We're here.
I thought it was Asian. Go figure.
I'm so blocked up. I know, but there's no dust here.
Boogs, buddy. Turn the chopsticks around, mate.
What, mate?
Turn the chopsticks around, wrong way round.
You get more with the fat end though.
I'm hearing you. And good point, very valid.
This is not our floor.
This isn't our
This is not
floor.
our floor.
This is not our floor.
Get the plant, get it.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.